energy coursing through my hands and on down to my feet.